Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 26th of December 2025. In today's top renewable energy news, a push is gaining steam in South Korea to repair and reuse onshore wind farms past their service life. Alternatively, regulators are considering dismantling aging wind power facilities and install the latest equipment through repowering. Repowering onshore wind avoids the need to secure new sites, helping prevent forest destruction. However, questions remain over whether to extend generation permits held by existing onshore wind operators or give opportunities to new entrants. The Flemish government has launched a fast-track procedure for wind turbine projects. It contains a stricter deadline for appeals and additional staff to find suitable locations. This year, only 13 new onshore wind turbines were added in Flanders. However, by 2030, the Flemish government wants to produce 2.8 gigawatts of electricity from wind energy. Appeals against wind projects will be given priority, with the aim of achieving a maximum processing time of 9 months. The Ministry for Ecological Transition and Demographic Challenge has approved the second call for the Circular Repowering programs. It provides aid for the renovation of old wind farms and hydroelectric facilities of up to 50 megawatts. Applications can be submitted between January 15th and February 24th. The program is endowed with €292 million of next-gen EU funds of the Plan of Recovery and Transformation. 4 state governors are demanding either a briefing on purported security threats or an immediate lifting of stop work orders on 5 offshore wind projects under construction. That includes the Revolution Wind project that is expected to power 350,000 homes in Connecticut and Rhode Island beginning in 2026. The governors also demanded a classified briefing to review the unexplained national security threats used to place the stop work orders. The cost of paying wind farms to switch off and gas plants to replace them when Britain's electricity network cannot cope has hit a record of almost £1.5 billion this year. The cost is funded by levies on households and businesses' energy bills. It is about a fifth higher than in 2024. That reflects the continued expansion of wind power in advance of required cabling. The National Energy System Operator is forced to pay wind farms in remote locations to stop generating when there is insufficient capacity on the cabling network to carry the electricity to consumers. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.